In this video, you will learn about past continuous tense. When to use past continuous tense. Number one, action in progress in the past. We use it to talk about actions or events that were happening at a specific moment in the past. Example, I was reading a book at 5 p.m. yesterday. She was cooking dinner when the phone rang. They were playing chess at 7 p.m. last night. Number two, action interrupted by another action. It is used when one action in the past was ongoing and got interrupted by another action. Example, she was watching TV when the phone rang. He was talking on the phone when his friend arrived. How to form past continuous tense. Positive form. Start with the subject, add was for I, he, she, it, or were for you, we, they, and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Example, I was playing soccer, they were eating dinner, we were studying for the math test. Negative form. Use not after was or were to form negative sentences. You can also use the contraction wasn't or weren't. Example, he was not watching TV, she was not studying for the exam, they were not sleeping at that time. Question form. Begin with was or were, add the subject, and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Example, was he reading a book? Were they playing in the park? Were you sleeping when I called you? Thank you for viewing. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.